Hello guys, just a few reminders. Sa April 28, kailangan naka-submit na kayo ng manuscript ng research ninyo, project nyo sa advisor tsaka sa panel. And then sa May 2 and 3, final defense na ninyo, kailangan meron na kayong hard copy ng PowerPoint, tsaka yung manuscript ninyo, and then kailangan meron na rin yung approved permit for defense. And then during your defense, you don't need to present the review of related literature anymore. And then 20 minutes maximum from start to finish. So average nito 10 minutes na presentation tapos 10 minutes na Q&A. And take note na pag hindi kayo nakasubmit sa April 28 ng manuscript ninyo, next year na kayo magpre-present or next semester na kayo magpre-present. Yun ang usapan namin ng mga faculty. So hanggang 28 lang talaga. Beyond that, next semester na. And then, May 12 to 14 is final exam ng graduating students. Tapos sa May 26 is deadline of final grade. And then make sure na before May 26, kailangan nakasubmit na kayo ng 4 copies nung hardbound nung project ninyo, and it should also be signed. Meaning 4 copies, 1 for the advisor, 1 for the department chair, 1 for the dean, and 1 for the library. Okay guys, so that's it. Keep yourself busy para hindi tayo nagkarakram. Thank you!